Hey kids, today we're just going to do a quick review of the 5 different types of text structure. Just a reminder that text structure is the way text or whatever an author has written in informational writing, it's looked at as how it is organized. That's another word for text structure. So there are 5 different ways you can organize text informationally. The first one is cause and effect. And yes, we've done a lot of review with cause and effect, but let's just look at it again. A cause is why something happened, and the effect is what happened. Just a reminder that sometimes the cause or the effect is listed first, or sometimes it's listed second. Compare and contrast is the second text structure. And compare and contrast is either, if we're comparing something, we are telling how 2 or more things are the same, and if we're contrasting something, then we're talking about 2 or more things and how they are different. Another text structure is sequence. Now, sequence is just another name for order. So when an author writes, sometimes an author writes in a certain sequence or in a certain order. Sometimes an author does this to tell the steps of something to follow, or something to make, or something to do. And this is called, once again, sequence. The fourth type of text structure is problem and solution. And problem is, it tells about or telling about a problem, and sometimes says why there is a problem, and then gives 1 or more possible solutions. This happens a lot of times in informational texts when I think of, a lot of times even just when I think of science. The last one is description, and description is just telling and describing, doing just what it says. It's a topic, idea, person, place, or thing that is being described by listing its features or characteristics or examples.